Think your affiliate marketing is at its peak? Think again. We've discovered secrets that could triple your revenue overnight, and we're spilling everything in the next few minutes. Don't be the only one missing out. Imagine you're in a bustling marketplace, but instead of fruits and vegetables, it's overflowing with countless affiliate products and networks. Your mission? To pick the perfect offerings that resonate deeply with your audience's interests, needs, and desires. This choice is the linchpin of your affiliate marketing strategy. Selecting the right affiliate products isn't just about what pays the most or what's most popular. It's about understanding your audience at a granular level. What keeps them up at night? What solutions can you offer that they're already seeking? When you align your affiliate offerings with your audience's interests, you're not just selling, you're providing value. This connection between your audience's needs and your affiliate products is where the magic happens. It's where trust is built. And then there's the choice of affiliate networks. Think of each network as a gateway to unique products, tools, and support. The right network can simplify your affiliate marketing efforts and amplify your results. It's like having a supportive partner in the world of affiliate marketing. They provide you with the necessary resources, analytics, and community to ensure your success. In essence, the art of choosing the right affiliate products and networks is about creating a seamless bridge between your audience's desires and the solutions you offer. It's about being seen not just as a promoter, but as a trusted advisor. Now, think about your current affiliate product selections. Are they truly aligned with your audience's needs? How could refining your choices elevate your affiliate marketing strategy? Building an email list is akin to cultivating a garden. Just like the best gardens flourish under careful attention and the right conditions, your email list can become a vibrant community of engaged followers. Think of each subscriber as a seed you plant, where you provide value, nurture their interests, and watch as the relationship grows. This isn't just about broadcasting messages. It's about starting conversations and fostering a sense of belonging. Now, why is an email list so crucial for promoting your offers? Unlike social media, where algorithms dictate who sees your content, emails land directly in your subscribers' inboxes. This direct line of communication is pure gold in the world of affiliate marketing. It means your audience is more likely to see and engage with your offers, making it a much more personal and effective way to promote products. But here's the part that gets really interesting. By understanding your audience's desires and pain points through regular interaction, you can tailor your affiliate offers to meet their specific needs. It's not just about sending out random product promotions, it's about curating offers that add real value to their lives. And when your audience feels understood and valued, they're more likely to trust your recommendations and make a purchase. But how do you start building this golden email list? Simple steps like offering a freebie or a discount in exchange for their email address can kickstart your list building efforts. From there, it's all about delivering consistent, valuable content that keeps them engaged and eager for more. Now think about your inbox. What kind of emails do you look forward to receiving? How can you replicate that anticipation and excitement for your subscribers? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what strategies resonate with you. In the bustling online marketplace, standing out is both an art and a science. Now, how do you stand out? That's where the dynamic duo of SEO and content marketing comes into play. SEO, or search engine optimization, is essentially the map that guides potential customers to your store. It's all about using specific, targeted keywords in your content that align with what your audience is searching for. But getting them to the door is only part of the equation. Once they arrive, you need to keep them engaged. That's where content marketing shines. It's not just about bombarding visitors with sales pitches. It's about creating valuable, informative, and entertaining content that resonates with their needs and interests. This could be anything from how-to guides, informative blog posts, to engaging videos. The idea is to provide value so visitors start to see you as a trusted authority in your niche. Together, SEO and content marketing create a powerful synergy. SEO draws visitors in, and content marketing engages and retains them. This not only increases the likelihood of clicks on your affiliate links, but also builds a loyal audience over time. And the beauty of focusing on organic traffic through SEO and content marketing, it's cost effective. You're not paying for ads, you're attracting visitors naturally, which can significantly improve your return on investment. Here's a thought to ponder. Have you encountered a website or a blog that you returned to simply because the content spoke to you? What was it about their content that kept you coming back? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Divers. Ification is next. Imagine stepping into a vast, bustling market where every stall offers something unique, something that catches your eye. That's exactly what diversifying your income streams within affiliate marketing looks like. It's not just about sticking to one niche or product. It's about expanding your horizon, exploring different alleys and avenues that resonate with a wider audience. The beauty of diversification lies in its power to buffer against the unpredictable waves of market trends. One niche might experience a downturn, but another could be surging in popularity. By incorporating complementary products or services, you're not just selling, you're adding value. Think of it like this. Your original product is a delicious burger, and by adding fries and a drink, you've created a meal. This completion strategy doesn't just boost sales, it enhances the overall customer experience. You're suddenly not just a vendor, you're a curator of solutions that enhance your audience's life in meaningful ways. Venturing into new niches or adding different products can seem daunting. The secret? Start small. Research is your best friend here. Look into the interests of your current audience, identify gaps in their needs, and find complementary products that fill those gaps. This approach not only mitigates risk, but also provides a safety net, ensuring you're still within the realm of your audience's interests. Now imagine your income not as a single thread, but as a robust net intricately woven with various streams that support each other. This isn't just about making more money, it's about creating a sustainable, resilient business model that can weather the ups and downs of market trends. What's one area outside your current niche that could complement your existing offerings? How might your audience benefit from this expanded range? In affiliate marketing, the right tools can be game changers. Imagine you're in a dark room looking for a treasure chest. Without a flashlight, you're just guessing. Tools like affiliate tracking software, SEO tools, and email marketing platforms, they're your flashlights, maps, and keys all rolled into one. First up, affiliate tracking software. It's not just about knowing where your sales are coming from, it's about understanding which of your marketing efforts are hitting the mark and which ones need a little more polish. This tool gives you real-time insights into clicks, conversions, and commissions. It's like having a financial advisor and a marketing analyst working for you 247. Next, we have SEO tools. The internet's a vast ocean, and your content, it's your boat. SEO tools make sure your boat doesn't just float, but sails right to the top of search engine results. Keywords are your compass here, guiding potential customers right to your doorstep. It's all about being seen in a sea of content. Lastly, email marketing platforms. In a world where inboxes are flooded daily, standing out is key. Email marketing platforms allow you to personalize your messages, making each subscriber feel like they're getting a letter from a friend rather than a faceless corporation. Which of these tools could transform your affiliate marketing game? How might incorporating these tools make a difference in your next campaign? Automation is like a magic spell that turns time-consuming manual tasks into something that runs smoothly in the background, giving you an extra pair of hands or 2 or 3 without the added cost. At the heart of automation is the simple principle of efficiency. For instance, scheduling social media posts in advance using an automation tool can recover hours every week. Hours that can be reinvested into strategizing, engaging with your audience, or even some well-deserved rest. The beauty is, as your operations expand, automation scales with you, transforming what would have been an increase in workload into a manageable, sometimes even lesser effort. But how does it do that? By making sure every cog in your machine knows exactly when to turn. Take email marketing automation, for example. Rather than manually sending a welcome email to every new subscriber, an automation tool does it for you. And it doesn't stop there. It can segment your subscribers, personalize messages, and send them at the optimal time for engagement. This isn't just saving time, it's upgrading the quality of your output without any extra effort from you. This capacitates businesses to not only maintain but increase their level of service as they grow. Think about it, maintaining that personal touch with your customers, ensuring every email feels like it was written just for them, all while your subscriber list skyrockets. That's the power of automation. Which of the manual tasks you're doing every day could be automated? How much time could you save, and how could that time be better spent growing your business? Remember, every minute saved is a minute earned. What will you do with your minutes?